Hi, this is Josh with MarineMax here in Huntington, New York. Today we're going to take a recent trade of ours. This is a Formula 27 Bowrider, 2019 model year. Great looking boat, beautiful color scheme as you can see in the pictures. We're going to start here in the back. We're going to work our way forward. We're going to point out some great features about this boat. First thing I noticed when I step on, large swim platform. What a great place to hang out, jump off, swim. Just a really large platform for a boat this size. You got your starboard side walk through here. As you come through, you do have stereo controls out here, which is great if you're hanging out on the back. The next thing you notice, you have a big sun pad here with bolsters, which we'll talk about in the front, but you do have a camper. This is a full canvas camper package with eyes and glass. This is great for those chilly mornings or if you want to extend your boating season in the spring or in the fall. Neat little feature, you don't see this on all the boats. We're gonna go ahead and step in. Notice on the floor you got the woven vinyl floor. This is really nice on your feet, very comfortable to step on, doesn't get hot. Great little addition, very luxurious. Look at the seats that Formula has. What a nice little patterns they have on it. Very comfortable, thick padding. So you got your rear sun pad back here, and you got this bolster, which flips forward. So now you have a massive sun pad, or if you're underway and you want to face the other way, just flip it back. Very cool, innovative. Seats to the left, seats to the right, plenty of seating. And right now you see both these bolsters in the forward position, so if you're out entertaining on the water, gives you a place to kind of hang out. If you're underway, quick lift, put them into the back position. Simple like that, now you're ready to go. This boat does have an Ilmore, it is a Formula, she runs very well. Just come here to the helm station, first thing that strikes me, looks like a fighter jet. Very cool looking, you got your Marine multi-function display screen, you got toggle switches to the left and the right. You have analog gauges, nice classic look, very comfortable steering wheel. You have your stereo controls here, very cool. You have trim tabs as well. Here's your Ilmore power, very nice. Boat has JL audio speakers, great sound, very luxurious, very sporty, great looking boat. Over here, you do have a head. So this is 27 feet, so you have a lot of space in there. Nice little option on this boat if you're gonna be out on the water all day. Great place to hide things away or do whatever you need to do. Moving forward, got a deep bow up here. Again, comfortable seats, lots of cushioning on the seats. They did a really good job with it. I just love the accents going through here. Almost looks like carbon fiber kind of look. Again, a Formula, very sporty fill. You got your anchor road locker up here. If you have any questions about this boat or any other boat we have in our inventory, please give us a call at 631-424-2710. Again, 631-424-2710. Myself, Josh, or any of our sales consultants will help you answer any questions you may have about this boat or any other boat we have in inventory. Thank you for stopping by, taking a look at this, and hope to see you on the water.